So today is Christmas morning, and as every Christmas, I usually cook a pie and have some dessert and drinks. But I'm gonna make one pie without any instructions and any recipe. I'm gonna make another pie with instructions and with recipe, and let's see how big of a disaster this is. But anyways, let's start preparing. Okay, so pretty much we went to the store about a week ago and we bought some meat. This is some champagne ham. This is not really bacon and egg, it's more like bacon and ham, but we got some mince too, which is mostly defrosted, as you see in there. We also have some pastry. It's a bit wet because it was technically frozen and stuff. We also got some other meats too. This is more, I think that's actually bacon. This is actually bacon, and this is frankfurters, sausages. This is a very weird combination, so I think we should make mince and cheese, egg and sausage, and a bacon and egg. We also have cheese. That's one thing. We have more pastry. We got the drinks. We got the ginger beer. Okay, so you know how we have 4 different types of meat? I am going to get my parents to choose a number between 1 and 4, and this is 1 and that's 4, and see which pie I make without any instructions. I guess we're doing 3, which is frankfurters. Yep, a very good combination. So I would say just chopping up, I guess, the sausages for probably the first step. What else should we do? I think next thing we should do is definitely be prepping our actual tray with baking paper and without pastry, as I haven't done this before in a long time. Let's see how good this goes. Okay, so right now we just easily, that prep was kind of easy. This wasn't actually sticky, you see that? Pretty sticky, so pretty much gonna. So with this complete, what else should I do? We definitely need eggs. Maybe add some cheese into it, because I have no idea. Just wing it. Add some pepper, some salt, and let's seal this all up. Yep, and now it's complete. It's sealed. I used a fork. I think I used this like a couple of years ago. We gotta do this on the edges. It's not perfect, and people like Daniel Holly can call me out for that. Let's spread that on. I think like these, like those special cooking ones. Actually, I might actually have one. Choose a number between 1 and 3. So next thing I'm going to make is definitely the classic mince and cheese pie, as my dad chose number 3, which on this list is actually there. Pretty much. Whoa, what should we do? Oh, this one we definitely need to. I can't prep the tray. I just realized that because it's currently in there. Anyways. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to actually cook the mince before you can actually add it to the oven. So let's start with that. other pie is still cooking in the oven. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna cook the mince, the onions, the carrots, the garlic all together. So let's start doing that. So currently, let's check on this pie. I think it looks pretty done, as you see in here. It looks really pretty done. Everything seems like it's been risen, and it looks like it's drier than all, and it looks like it's definitely been thoroughly cooked. So next thing we're gonna do is definitely gonna prep the next pie, which is the mince and cheese. Oh, let's read the instructions. What else does it say? Oh, gotta add the pastry. But anyways, I'm gonna do that. So second pie glazed and sealed. Let's chuck this in the oven. So pretty much, yeah, I got kicked out of my kitchen. The only thing I could actually do was actually cook that mince and cheese pie, and then my parents kicked me out because they have to also make a turkey, which I don't really like turkeys. But anyways, I'm gonna set up in my room on this small table, and we'll rate the food when the steak and cheese comes. So pretty much, let's cut open these pies. So this, I believe this pie is the one with sausage in it, and this is the mince and cheese. So, like that. That's one portion now. Wowee. So okay, bring you a closer look. See that all that ooze dripping out. Definitely see there is a cheese on the top. You see that it's not a lot of cheese, as I don't want to eat too much cheese, as it's kind of a fat. First off, like this, you can see some of this filling. The filling is rich in flavor. You can definitely feel, and you can definitely taste the mixtures of all the ingredients in the pie. Tastes really good. Let's cut open this sausage pie. Ooh. Like that. That's good. Of the pie, you can see the egg over there, the sausage, the vegetables. And you see in the filling there, all the layers of this. This is also pie. Something that's definitely lacking is probably some seasoning, like salt and pepper. It's probably best to add some tomato sauce to this to give it just that tiny bit of sweet flavor to it. But overall, what do you guys think of the first episode of Noob Cooking? Yeah, to be honest, like pies is like, I think it's a pretty easy dish, because like if I cook a pie like this, with instructions it tastes good, and without instructions it also tastes good. Anyways, what do you guys think about my cooking skills? Comment down below if you want me to continue this series and what food you want me to make. But thank you very much for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Not bad.